This video explains how to change the system language of the Fanuc controller.
有好多朋友他不知道这个语言去怎么输出，比如说设置中文啊。
After we switch on the machine and turn it on, press this setting. Then press and hold the right expansion button to find the language option. Scroll up and down to find the language you need. Here we take Chinese as an example. We choose the Chinese characters. After the cursor moves to Chinese characters, press and hold the save button. Start again. You can see that the system has been displayed in Chinese. So we have completed the system language settings.